Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to use my Beach palette again, and I thought I would film a date night kind of tutorial, like a Beachy date night. So I've put some salt spray and stuff in my hair. I'm hoping that it looks good. My hair has a tendency to do whatever it wants when I use that stuff. Obviously I don't look very date nighty, because it's Memorial Day. Me and my cousin are going to do some more filming after this later today. But anyways, I really did want to film this, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to start off by using the Coola Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. I haven't used this before, but I thought this would be a good day to try it because it's very hot out. So I'm just going to take this and put it all over my face, and I'll use my fingers to rub it in. It has a really cucumbery smell, which is interesting. If you like cucumbers, that's awesome. I'm okay with it. It's kind of weird. Once I've got that on, I'm going to take my Marcel City Tinted Cream and I'm going to apply that to my face using my fingers as well. I've really been enjoying using this, and I actually am probably going to end up getting a full size of it. So once I've done that, I'm going to just rub it in. You do want to make sure that your primer is dry before you start putting on other stuff. Hopefully it's not too noisy today. All of my family is home as per usual. But soon, I think it's about 55 days from now, next I'm going to use the It by Under Eye and put that under my eyes, as well as the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, which I'm going to put all over my face, on any spotty areas. In about 55 days, I believe it is me and Andrew's wedding. So we will be moved out very, very soon, which is absolutely terrifying, but also really exciting. I'm sure it'll be a different amount of days by the time this goes up, but it should be actually a lot closer by the time this goes up. We're not sure if the house we're going to be living in is going to be done by the wedding though, so we're not really sure what we're going to do until it is, but we're trying to figure that out. So you guys just pray that we figure it out. But we are so excited. We're really scared, but we know everything's going to be good. We just aren't used to being on our own, having to deal with bills and stuff, so it's kind of scary, but we're really, really excited. So I might not be getting quite as many new things other than from Birchbox and Ipsy. During the first few months we moved out, we have to figure out how our bills are going to go. So once I've got that all blended, I'm going to take my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend that. Next up, once that's dry, I'm going to take my Beach eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take my Moda M19 brush, and I'm actually going to take 16th Street and put that all over my eyelids. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take the color Wedge, and I'm going to use that to blend out. And I'm just going to kind of use my fingers to clean up the edges. Then I'm going to take my Vera Mona smudger brush, and I'm going to take the color Plunge, and I'm just going to run that under my eyes. Then I'm going to take my Luxie 207 angled brush, and I'm going to use that to highlight using the color Salt. After that, I'm going to take my Sephora Beautiful Crush palette, and I'm going to take my Sedona Lace angled brush, and I'm going to take this brown color and use it in my brows. Just a tiny bit. Once I've done that, I'm actually going to take my new basket case eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to line the top of my eyes. And I'll be back to show you guys, but I'm going to show you guys now. It's like a crayon kind of, and I actually really like it so far. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back to show you guys what I did. Okay guys, so what I've done with the basket case is I've just done kind of a thinnish line, like a medium thin line across the top of my eyes. I'm not going to try and do a wing or anything. Being that this is kind of like a crayon kind of eyeliner, I'm not sure how it would do for a wing, so I don't really want to try it right now. I'll let you guys know maybe in a different tutorial or in the review how that works. But after I've done that, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to take my Bad Gal Bang mascara and use that on the tops and the bottom lashes. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my IT by Pores Pressed Powder and use that all over my face. Then I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and use that to bronze up. I'm then going to take a small smudger brush and just kind of blend this out. I really need to get some more of these because mine are starting to like fall apart. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Sephora Beautiful Crush palette again. And I'm going to take my Ulta blush brush and I'm going to take this corally color and use that on my cheeks. Next up, I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Highlighter and put that on my cheeks, nose, and cupid's bow. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend that. that I have quite a bit of this on my hands, and I try and like wipe it off a little bit just because I don't want too much. Once I've done that, I'm actually going to go ahead and curl my lashes again. I just wanted to wait for it to dry a bit. After I do that, I'm just going to touch up the eyeliner just a tiny bit. I'm sorry if I got out of frame while I'm doing this. I just find that it kind of fades it sometimes just a little bit, so I like to touch it up. Then to finish the look off on my lips, I'm going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. I've been loving this, so I wanted to use it again. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And have a great Memorial Day, even though this is going to go up later. I hope you had a great Memorial Day. Bye, guys!